Hi everyone, today our team will be presenting on Mount Irazú, one of Costa Rica's most fascinating and active volcanoes. Irazú is a complex stratovolcano covering more than 500 square kilometers with at least 10 flank cones on its southern side. Its most iconic feature is the active crater, which is about 1,050 meters wide and 300 meters deep. The volcano is located just east of Costa Rica's capital, San José, making it a key landmark and potential hazard for nearby communities. Standing at 3,432 meters, it is Costa Rica's highest volcano and among the most active. Over the past 100 years, Irazú has had 7 confirmed eruptions, 5 of which reached a volcanic explosivity index of 2. This means most eruptions were small to moderate in size. Based on this history, we've rated the explosivity of Irazú as 2.
Irazú is so close to the capital, many people live and work within reach of its hazards. Using our criteria, we've scored its deadliness at 52 out of 100. This reflects historical records, most notably the 1963 to 1965 eruption, which caused fatalities near the crater and farther downslope from lahars. However, thanks to modern monitoring and early warning systems, the overall risk is much lower today. Seismic and gas checks, along with clear closures around the crater, help prevent many of the worst outcomes. In short, while the volcano is capable of killing, strong surveillance and preparedness greatly reduce the danger. For devastation potential, we've given a score of 58 out of 100. Irazú's typical eruption style is explosive and ash-rich, usually around VEI2. While not powerful enough to cause global climate effects, its eruptions can still blanket the Central Valley in ash, disrupt flights and roads, damage crops, and cause health issues from poor air quality. Heavy rains can also remobilize ash into fast-moving lahars that tear through valleys and infrastructure. Residents and visitors are advised to respect closures, follow alerts, and prepare for ash by using masks and protecting water sources. Living near Irazú ultimately is about readiness, not fear.
The most recent eruption occurred on December 8, 1994. It lasted only about a day and is classified as an uncertain phreatic eruption, meaning it was driven by steam rather than magma with a VEI index of 1 or less. The eruption occurred at the northwest flank of the volcano, producing lahars and debris avalanche that destroyed vegetation down to about 2,500 meters elevation. Although brief, this eruption reminded scientists that Irazú is still active and capable of sudden activity. Today, Irazú is closely monitored by OVSICORI-UNA, which is Costa Rica's main scientific institute responsible for monitoring active volcanoes. Because of Irazú's complex structure, with multiple craters and a mix of explosive and phreatic activity, predicting its eruptions remains challenging. Therefore, we have rated its unpredictability at 63 out of 100. To end off, here are some interesting facts about Mount Irazú. The name Irazú comes from the language of the region's indigenous people, and it means peak of tremors and thunder. It is also a popular tourist destination, and on clear days, hikers near the summit can see both the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans from the same spot. That concludes our presentation on Mount Irazú, a volcano that's potentially dangerous yet beautiful. Thank you.